Hey, great morning to everyone. Have an awesome day. I'm recording this video around 6:30 a.m. in morning, and I'm super excited for my day. I'm so blessed and grateful for having such a beautiful life and this day. Now let me tell you why I always tell you to start your day with positivity, with energy, with that excitement, with that spark, with that zeal, with that enthusiasm. Why we have to start our day like this? Why we have to start our day with full of energy? Because when we are excited of our life, then the life will give lot of opportunities, and the life will give you lots of opportunities to start to a lot of great have you noticed that why kids are so excited for their life? They are excited to learn new things. They are excited to learn anything. They are super excited. They are super energy. They have a lot of zeal in them to learn something, to understand something. They have curiosity about life, about knowing new things, about learning. But when we get But while growing, our mind and our energies become slowed down. Am I right? We are feel normal. We are not excited of our life. Are you excited of our life? Say honestly, if you are not excited, then how that crazy and that super excited life you will get? If you are not excited about your life, then why are you thinking like you have a crazy life? You will live the crazy life. You will live a happy life if you are not excited of your life. You have to be excited. You have to learn new things. You have to be excited of your life. At the same time, be grateful, because when you are grateful about your life, about yourself, about your resources, everything will gonna be good. So be grateful of your life, be grateful for your resources, be grateful for everything, whatever you have in your life, and very soon you will find like you are super awesome and you are gonna live your life the way you want. So be a super excited. This was the message which I want to share with you. So I start my day with a lot of energy. I'm great. I'm super excited for having such a beautiful day, and I'm blessed, my dear friend, and I'm grateful for having whatever resources I have, and I'm going to win this day. I'm gonna learn a lot of new things. I'm gonna shift my paradigm, change my paradigm. I'm gonna learn to be focused more. I'm gonna improve my focus. Instead of blaming to distraction, why we can't focus on our why we can't improve our focus? Instead of blaming distraction, why we can't improve our focus, right? So be super excited, and let me show you the view of this Windsor, the Grand Residency near my area. Right? Have a great morning. Keep enjoying, keep learning, and be excited of your life, and be grateful for whatever you have, and you will live a happy and beautiful life. My dear friend, this is Kamlesh signing off until we meet again.